15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Words that change your impression in English. Can you close the door? People will understand it. How do you say it more politely? Could you close the door? Could you close the door? Give me water. That sounds too direct. What sounds more polite? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? I want coffee. That can sound childish. What sounds more natural? I'd like some coffee. I'd like some coffee. No. That sounds cold. How do you refuse softly? Not really. Not really. It is impossible today. That sounds too strong. What is a softer expression? It is difficult. It is difficult. Why? That may sound aggressive. What sounds softer? How come? How come? You should do that. That sounds bossy. How do you make it sound softer? Maybe you could do that. Maybe you could do that. Calm down. That can make people upset. What sounds gentler? Take it easy. Take it easy. I disagree. That sounds a bit harsh. What is a softer way to say it? I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. That's wrong. That sounds very direct. What sounds more polite? I see it differently. I see it differently. Hurry up. That sounds pushy. What sounds kinder? Take your time. Take your time. What? That can sound rude. What sounds more polite? Sorry? Sorry? Listen. That can sound too strong. How do you get attention politely? Excuse me. Excuse me. Come here. That sounds commanding. What sounds more polite? Could you come here? Could you come here? Wait. That sounds abrupt. What sounds more natural? Just a second. Just a second. Could you close the door? Could you close the door? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? I'd like some coffee. I'd like some coffee. Not really. Not really. It is difficult. It is difficult. How come? How come? Maybe you could do that. Maybe you could do that. Take it easy. Take it easy. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. I see it differently. I see it differently. Take your time. Take your time. Sorry? Sorry? Excuse me. Excuse me. Could you come here? Could you come here? Just a second. Just a second. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.